Okay guys, so here we are. You've made your first video and you've learned all the skills that it takes to be a video editor, and you're going to continue to make more wicked content, but now we need to export this video out. Alright guys, it's time for the home run. Alright, so let's do it. One thing you need to do before you export is do a final check. Allow your composition to play all the way through non-stop. You know, just to make sure that everything's in check, nothing's out of place. One thing I would recommend is go through and scale up certain parts of your footage. You know, to add a little bit of variety to your clip so it's not always the same zoom. Now yes, you can argue that you should do this at the beginning of this process, but it's never too late to do this. Once you've gone through and everything's cool, it's time to export. Okay, so what you need to do is click this upward facing arrow here in the top right corner, then Capcut will go ahead and export your project for you. Upon completion of this, it will give you the option to share straight to TikTok or these other platforms. Or if you click the other option, you can save it to your default videos folder or a specific folder on your phone. Then click done, and then finito. So then what you need to do is go to where your video is saved and review it to ensure that you are happy with it. Okay guys, this is a sample clip on how you use Capcut to create wicked video content. We live in a world of all of these AI tools at our fingertips, and it's great. There is nothing that should be able to stop you from doing exactly what you want to do now these days. Video content is crucial if you want to build your brand on social media. Artificial intelligence is everywhere now, and we can use it for so many different things. So clever and makes us so much more productive. I mean, for example, Midjourney is crazy. I saw that, I was like, whoa! But Capcut uses artificial intelligence too, and I'm going to show you how to do it in this simple tutorial. And that's it folks, it's that simple using Capcut. Now there's no reason for you to not make any wicked video content now. Anyone can do it from their phone, anytime, any place, any way. This is the best way to learn. I started out with no qualifications, I just learned on the internet just like you did. Hopefully this course was valuable to you and you learned a lot. And if you've got any feedback, be sure to send me an email so we can constantly improve our content for you. We have plenty more courses for content creators and digital entrepreneurs looking to take their business to the next level. Also, if you want to book a call with me to discuss a piece of content that you plan to create or something you're working on, just click this link below to book a call. Also, sign up to our list to get notified for upcoming releases and premium content.